Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Amzar Rifqy Muhammad Nurazam and you can call me Amzar. I am a future engineer in the making, currently bringing up knowledge as a pure science student at MRSM Taiping, a school known for its academic excellence. My lifelong passion and interest is on the field of engineering. My studies in pure science, especially subjects like physics and chemistry, provide a strong foundation for me to understand the principle behind various engineering disciplines. Beyond academics, I'm an active leader as part of the High Council of the Dormitories Management Committee, which is also known as JAXA. I hone my communication, teamwork, and decision-making skills. My passion for staying active extends to sports like football and tennis, where I've learned disciplines and strategic thinking. These qualities, along with my strong science foundation, make me a perfect candidate for TNB's engineering program. With unwavering dedication, I recently achieved a perfect 4.0 CGPA in recent semester 1. This exceptional academic record demonstrates my strong work ethic and aptitude towards STEM subject. One of the best achievements that I've achieved is being chosen as head prefect back in primary school. It instilled a sense of responsibility and leadership that I carry with me today. It taught me the importance of communication and empathy, which have been crucial throughout my life. Based on everything that I have showed you, I truly believe you should invite me for an interview because there is much more things that I wish I could show you. If you wish to contact me, you can do so at amzarrifqy@gmail.com. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.